What up guys, Mikkel Bennett, and I want to give you guys 2 surefire ways to improve your credit score. I run into people all the time that's like, yo, my credit score isn't moving, my credit score isn't moving. Now, the first thing you have to ask yourself is, do you have negative items on your report? Because each and every single month that you have negative items like collections, charge-offs, like listen, stop acting like you don't got them. If you got collections and you got charge-offs and repos and late payments, every single month that your credit reports with that on it, your score can go down, okay? So you're never gonna be able to maximize your score with these negative items. So stop acting like you don't have them. That's number 1. If you have negative items, you need to either A, learn how to remove them yourself, or 2, pay somebody like thecreditbull.com to be able to remove them for you. And this isn't even an endorsement for me to tell you to go get your shit done for me, because I really don't care if you come to me. I just want you to get them off somehow, right? So now that you got the negative items off, you need to properly be building credit, right? So to properly build credit, the first thing you need to look at is your credit card utilization, right? If you already have credit cards, how much is your balance? If you have a balance that is over 30% each and every single month that it reports like that, you're gonna get a negative hit on your credit score, okay? So you need to make sure that, basically, I'm gonna tell you like this, pay the entire card off. Anytime you run into some money or a bag, pay off your credit cards. Why? Because they're revolving credit, which means when you pay it off, you can then use it again. And you shouldn't be using more than you can make. Like, it don't make sense, right? So that's 2. Now the next thing you need to focus on is adding positive accounts. So the quickest way for you to increase your score is get added as an authorized user on somebody else's credit card who has at least 5 to 10 years of age and they have a perfect credit history, a perfect payment history, right? Once they add you to that card, your score is gonna go up. Like, as long as the other things are in place, like you don't have any other cards that have high utilization, you don't have negative items on your report, then you should be seeing an increase on your score. So this is how you easily start building positive credit and having your score increase every single month. If you want to learn how to fix your credit yourself, go to youcanfixyourcredit.com and don't forget to like and save this video.